Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 update errors that says your device is missing important security updates. Let's begin. First, I want you to click on your start menu over here and type services. Left click on it, then a window will pop up. Just look for Windows Update. Scroll down, Windows Update. Over here, double click on it. Over here, startup type, select disabled. Okay. If prompted, click on stop and then click on start again. Now, click on your file explorer. Over here, I have mine, or you can search in the start menu, file explorer. Then I want you to go to the specific path. Okay. Just easily type this on here Windows slash software distribution. Once you're here, click on enter. And all of these folders and files, select all of them and just simply delete all of these. Okay. Once you've successfully deleted all of the files, you can now close and reboot your PC. Okay. And once you have successfully rebooted your PC, everything should now be fixed. However, if not, you can try to run the SFC scan after doing this. Okay. So start menu, click on it, go to command prompt, then type sfc slash scan now. Hit enter. Just wait for this process to complete and verify all of your system files. And once completed, you can now reboot your PC if needed. And after doing all of these, everything should now be fixed. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.